One of the frequently asked questions in trigonometry is why we represent different elements of trigonometry in different forms while solving different problems. For example, in some problem we represent tan theta as sine theta by cos theta. In some other problem we may represent tan theta in terms of secant theta. So, and also we apply different formulas while solving different problems. Like sometimes we use sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sometimes we use 1 minus secant square theta is equal to tan square theta. So, like why do we do this? So, the answer is, for while solving trigonometric problems, our main focus should be the goal. So there are multiple ways we can represent each element, and there are multiple formulas which we can apply in whatever step we are. So considering where we have to reach the goal which is the what is our RHS we are expecting, based on that we will have to apply the formulas, and also we have to represent the trigonometric elements which we are having in our hand right now. So for example, there are four directions, right? North, south, west, east. Let's say you have to go in north direction because our goal is in north direction. But there are other places also. If you represent it in terms of different way, you might go in some other direction where you might not find your goal. So we might not reach our RHS. So we'll have to always think and apply the formulas and also represent the trigonometric entities based on what outcome we are expecting out of it. It is like this puzzle where you have to properly arrange based on what is the outcome you are expecting. If you arrange it in some other pattern, it may reach some other place where that is not the outcome you are expecting. Thank you.